Let's build a sentence like a burger. Here's the secret Krabby Patty formula. Subject plus verb plus object, or SVO. For the top bun, we have the subject. Answers the question who. Example of subject, teacher. And for the patty, we have verb. Example of verb, eats. And for the bottom bun, for the third layer, we have object, which answers the question what. So example of object, apples. So if we will try to assemble subject plus verb plus object, we have teacher plus eats plus apples. So teacher eats apples. Don't forget our formula, subject plus verb plus object, or SVO in short. Now you try. Maria hugs cats.